Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the alternator on a Mazda CX-9. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, a socket set, and a serpentine belt tool. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is completely cool before starting. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical hazards. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and efficient replacement process, so take your time and have your new alternator ready. Next, you'll need to disconnect the old alternator. Begin by loosening the tensioner and carefully removing the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts securing the alternator. Unbolt these carefully. Once all connections and bolts are free, gently maneuver the old alternator out of its mounting bracket and remove it from the engine bay. Now it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into the mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Reinstall and securely tighten all the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Next, reconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable, making sure they are firm and secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly over all the pulleys, including the new alternator, ensuring proper tension. For the final steps, double-check all connections and bolts to ensure everything is tight and secure. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your Mazda CX-9. Start the engine and observe your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the battery light. You can also use a multimeter to verify the charging system voltage, which should ideally be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.